Guys, welcome back to a brand new video. At the moment I'm filming this after I've filmed the video. I didn't really intend to film this video, as I do say in the video. It was just a quick thing that I did. I was trying to film a couple of different things and I just didn't know what kind of a video to put them in, so I'm just going to stick them all together and that can be this week's video. Next week's video, however, will be a bit more structured and will be a bit better. So yeah, I just got to get that finished off, so stick around for that one. Enjoy this one. Okay guys, so as you can see we have a glove box and a set of rear lights in the boot on this side. Turn this, pop him out, and then inside on the rear of them you've got obviously this little screw here, and there is another one somewhere there, but obviously the screws come out of that one. But we'll go in there, get these off, and then we can pull the cluster out, change it over. Simple. Cluster's out now. We're just got to take this out and swap it for this one. Obviously, as you can see, this one all has the seal on, this one doesn't, which is why the water was then getting into here and landing in my boot, which is not what we want. So let's change this over and we're all good. Right, lights all sorted, we're good there. Move on to the glove box. So the reason this needs changing is because, as you can see there, that tab, it's barely non-existent, whereas on what it's supposed to do, if I can get this one open with one hand, see how far that sticks out? That is what it's supposed to be like, and that's what it's like. So something's broken the mechanism somewhere, so let's get this out. And to do that, 1, 2, 3, there's another one down there, 4 Torx bolts. They're probably T20s, they normally are in this car. And then this should just pull out. There we go, CDs flying everywhere. Disconnect the electrical connector and out it comes. So the new one goes in, electrical connector goes on, like that. Clip him in, then we can put the screws back in. There we have, job done. I've come home from work. I finished a little bit earlier today, so I thought I'll crack on and get some of the car cleaned, as in like clay bar, polish and all the rest of it, and wax. Oh my god, I'm not sure if this person lived under a tree and parked it under a tree every day or what, I don't know. But I'm going to take you over to the car now and I just want to show you what I'm having to go through just to get through the smallest patch of paintwork with the clay bar. It's awful. So what I've just done is I've just done this section here to the middle here. So this section here I haven't touched. My bucket down here with my soap in. As you can see, I'm just going to give it a nice clean. You can even hear it with that. Just rinse all this down. Try not to cake the boot in too much water. Give it a quick. Oh, listen to that. The difference. Oh, so here is my nice new fresh piece of clay. Drop him on there a sec. Having to hold it, sort of stroke the paintwork just to get like the top layer of crap off. You see the colour it's running down, look at that. Honestly, don't know what someone's done. Lubricate it up again, as you would, and then you can start to work into it. But even then it's difficult, it's still, you can feel it pulling. Listen to that. It's so difficult. Look at how that's twisted and deformed, because obviously it's not able to move across the surface well enough. The inside bits aren't too bad, that's okay. When you come to sort of this section here, oh my days. Some more lubrication. Oh, can you hear that? Oh, it's awful. It's getting there, but my life, is it taking its time? Look at that. I know I'll fold it over again. That'll be like a third time then that I've had to turn it over. It's getting there, guys, but then you think the time that I've spent now, it's on about 4 minutes. 4 minutes just to do that little section, and I've still got the whole car to do. I did do the roof the other day. You can see it's beading up nicely from where it's been waxed, but I've got the rest of the car to do, so I'm going to finish the bumper and hope that it doesn't rain. And so last thing on the agenda for today is sorting out the intake. If you've seen my previous videos and that, you'll know that I wasn't happy with the intake that was on the car. So I'll spin you around and show you what we've got. We've got one of these throw it in the footwell, yeah, that'll do. And we've got this crossover delete from MK Motorsport. Had a bit of a sale on, half price sale, so we can get that installed. There's a little thing somewhere, there we go. That'll obviously just go in there and then into that side, joins up, all lovely jubbly. So the filter that I've just thrown on the floor, what have we got here? I'm sure you'll all know what it looks like, but there it is, the AEM filter, and I've gone for the grey coloured one instead of the red one because red's not really in the car. So let's go. I've got the bonnet up ready. Let's get outside, put this on, drill at the ready. I'm going to try something different with this. So that is obviously the before. Now this has got to go on there, so let's have a go at this. So that worked well, so let's try it with this. That's 2 out of 3. Can we get a hat trick? There we have it, boys, all done and dusted. New filter, new crossover, and obviously breather installed. Even stuck the sticker on just because I'm really cool. So that is it from me today, boys. I'll leave a link in the description for the filter from A&E Motorsport. I'm not sure if these are going to be continued because they were old stocks, hence the discounted price I had on them. So look out for next week's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.